Welcome back to my channel Sparkle with Manjushri. So first of all, I want to apologize for not posting a video on Tuesday and I'm posting it on Friday because as usual with all the Android users, I guess you guys can relate to it that my phone's motherboard was destroyed and it was thankfully it was under the warranty period, so I had get it repaired and that's why it took so much time to film another video. So forgive me please. I forget this. And if you are new to this channel, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, as I'm going to share, as per the title of this video you guys might have known, the how to prevent hair fall and closet ideas, makeup, etc. So in one channel you are getting the whole package. So what are you waiting for? Press the subscribe button and the bell icon beside to it so that any new video updated by me, you will get a notification very soon. So without blabbering here much, straight away head to our new video. I have noted all the points over my mother's phone because I'm recording this video with my phone. Zahir si baat hai. So the first step will be avoid using fingernails and use the fingertips. So what is the difference between the fingernails and the fingertips? Fingernails mean of course many of the girls have very long nails, but since I was in convent school we were never asked to grow our nails, so I didn't get that habit of growing up my nails. I guess all the convent going girls and the boys even can relate to this, and so that's why I never had such long nails, so I didn't face so much amount of hair fall for that reason. Many of them like scratch their scalp with their fingernails, which is absolutely very wrong because in fingernails there are many bacteria, fungal germs, you can understand, like microorganisms which can worsen the situation even more. So instead of that, even if you feel scratchy, just use like this, just as I will be showing right over here. Just use this, like you can check it out, right? I'm not inside, I'm just doing it up like this. If for those who have dandruff also, for them also like me, I use this fingertips and never ever my fingernails, so avoid that mistake. Let me first of all tell you that in this new trend has come that go sulfate free, don't add sulfate in your shampoos and everything. So let me give you a brief introduction about the usage of sulfates in shampoos. So just like washing detergents and everything are present in our washing powder or else the liquid, similarly sodium lauryl sulfate and ammonium lauryl sulfate as well are the detergents for removing the excess oils, dirt, pollution, etc. out of our hair. So if you are eliminating this essential product, it's gonna worsen your situation even more. And yes, it's not that I'm like completely asking you that don't use the vegan products. Even the vegan products have sulfates in them because that is the standard like detergent which is required for removing the excess oil coming out of your hair, right? So that is very important, guys. This, don't blindly follow any trend, I will ask you rather, because sulfates are something which you actually need in your scalp. For example, the shampoos which do not contain sulfate, for example the very famous Tresemme, alright, the quantity of shampoo which I take is somewhat like a pea-sized amount usually, and for the lengthening of the scalp maybe up to this much. But when I use the Tresemme, I literally have to use this much amount of the product so as to get rid of not that very heavy oiling, just normal hair. I haven't even oiled my hair. It did not remove any dirt and it worsened the situation, and that's why I was having more amount of hair fall because it did not contain any sulfates. Even the substitute of sulfates, it's never gonna work, guys. So please don't follow those trends, just blindly do your own research like I did in my case. For example, for those who are like buying shampoos of the range of 150 to 250, especially for dandruff prone skin, I'm sorry to say I have used Head and Shoulders, I have used all those Jiva, what's or not, even Sunsilk had that anti-dandruff series. I was very young that time, I had tried that shampoo as well, but no result until I came across this product. Series Expert is from L'Oreal Professional range and it did work really nicely. Another product, I will be sticking the picture right over here because I had used the shampoo quite a long time back, and yes girls, I changed my shampoos but I do check the ingredient list, alright, especially for dandruff prone skin, scalp, I mean, you really require a sulfate in your shampoo or else the dandruff won't get rid of. Don't apply those curds, those lemons, no, they are never gonna work for your hair. No, just don't do that. Even if you apply neem oil or the neem tail or whatsoever, don't do. And those who are in so-called influencers who are like saying ki, apply neem and your hair will be alright, apply this, it will be alright. It most of it depends upon the genes. You haven't seen them, when they weren't using those products or something like that. You might see that you haven't, seen their genetic, sequence or anything which is responsible for thickening of hair. Like in my case, in my grandma's and from my paternal side, alright, so how to explain? The genes are not that very good, like they don't have that very thick hair, so that is the reason why I don't have that very thick hair, but that doesn't mean that I'm having hair fall. I can show it to you. No hair fall. No hair fall. Seriously, I don't have any hair fall. So that is the reason, like, you should understand. And it does contain sulfates, but if you use just this pea amount of and that too over scalp, never ever use this, the anti-dandruff shampoo all over the length. It will damage your hair more. So for the length of your hair, you can use the Satnic by Amwiz 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. And this product is definitely a boon for those who are going to college like me, and those who have normal to oily scalp and even to normal to dry scalp also. It is in that very drying also, and it is perfect. Like those who which claim also that they got a conditioner, but still they make your hair look, very frizzy and dry. Whereas I had applied this shampoo yesterday and see, full frizz free. And I'm not kidding, I didn't iron because I don't have an iron also in my home. I have natural straight hair. So this shampoo is really a good purchase, and 250 ml, and it lasts for around now 3 to 4 months easily. And for this shampoo also lasts for around 6 months because I had bought it in the month of January 2021, and it is still. And I, shampoo my hair twice in a week. Now I'm gonna tell you and say you how. Number 3 is use conditioner only once in a week and not every day. For girls and the boys who wash their hair every day, please don't do that. It's not gonna, help you, reduce the dandruff or hair fall. It's gonna worsen the situation even more, because as we all know that excess of anything worsens the situation. So if you are using too much amount of sulfates, too much amount of, conditioners, whatnot, coloring products, it's gonna worsen the situation even more. First of all, it will remove all the natural, oils or the sebum which is coming out of your hair, which is actually necessary for your hair follicles. And let me tell you one thing, that these hair follicles are all dead cells, so you need to take extra care of them if you really don't want those hair to fall out. Alright, so using a conditioner is a task, but for those who have long hair like me, they need conditioning every day. Almost many of the girls say, but don't do that. I'm gonna tell you how you can maintain that easily. So the conditioner which I use, don't mind the packaging because it fell off when I was taking bath and the lid got broke. So it's from Satnic by Amwiz Glossy Repair Conditioner for damaged and color treated hair. Now I had done my highlights in the month of March, and of course that's why I have been using this conditioner, but only once in a week. And even I use anti-dandruff shampoo only once in a week, and for the second day when I just need to wash my hair, I just use this shampoo even over my scalp. It doesn't mean that every time, since you have a lot amount of dandruff, you always need to apply dandruff shampoo. No, it is not necessary. And even those who are facing hair fall problems, another shampoo is that it is also from Satnic by Amwiz. I'll be sticking the picture right over here, you can check it out, and it is very good. Alright, and many of them are complaining that they aren't able to book these products or buy these products. I'll be posting the way how you can in the description box below. Please do check the description box out. So this shampoo is also very nice, and the consistency is pretty much not that very bad, but it is better than the ones which are available in the market. So this shampoo, that too in, like for example, let me explain that on Sunday, alright, on Sunday I wash my hair with the anti-dandruff shampoo and just condition it. Alright, and on the next day when I take bath, head bath is on Wednesday, and on Wednesday just this shampoo, that's all. And all of these two shampoos are mixed with aloe vera gel, of course, because I guess I've shown it in my previous hair care video that I use aloe vera gel because it retains the moisture of my hair really nicely. Oil and incorporate almond and tea tree oil systems. So it is like something which many of us have been ignoring, but since I'm studying pharmacy, so now I got to know that reading the ingredient list of each of the products is so very important. So this is just an example of the oil. It is the Dabur Amla hair oil. which does not contain any amla. I can show it in my this ingredient list, which they haven't written over here, which is so bad, but it contains mineral oil. It harms your scalp more, guys. It harms your scalp more. Please stop using them. Please check the ingredient list even for the oils when you are purchasing, even the parachute coconut oil. I don't know the other variants. I'm not saying the pure coconut oil, but I'm asking for the jasmine variant or whatnot. Please stop using them. Please stop. Use pure coconut oils. That is very much better. And if you really want to fight hair fall as well as dandruff like me, and for dandruff, hair fall, those who are suffering from hair fall, if you really want to go like pura frizz free and proper hair, you can incorporate tea tree oils. Like this is an essential oil, and as it claims that it is like 100% pure steam distilled mineral oil, and many of them might be thinking that it must be very much expensive, like around 500, but it is not. It was something around 150. I bought it from Amazon and it really works nicely. What you need to do is, by 2 steps you can do that, is either just it contains a dropper like system, somewhat like this, and just drop it over the scalp and gentle massage all over your scalp. It's gonna work like anything. It is a magical product, and of course with the almond oil or the but don't use the Bajaj almond drops. Please check the ingredient list. I can bet you that it contains mineral oil. So what you can use is Rogan Badam Shireen. So that oil I have been using maybe when I was a kid, and it did marvelous job. It does marvelous job. I still use it. And what I do is I incorporate olive oil, pure coconut oil and almond drops, along with when I have severe dandruff, like in the rainy season it has come, so I am actually incorporating tea tree oil, like 4 drops to 5 drops. That's it, and it works wonder. I can show you, even see my hair growth. See, I don't have any dandruff also. And yes, जो head and shoulders में दिखाया जाता है, कंधे पे dandruff नहीं दिख रहा है भाई, मेरा है ही नहीं. So you guys can incorporate these oils, and please, whenever you are buying any oil, please check the ingredient list brand, and if it says that it contains mineral oil, be it over the top or be it at the bottom, please don't buy. Mera ye very fashionable, at the same time it prevents hair fall like anything, and I have been incorporating these 2 things in my lifestyle since 2019 or maybe 2020. So it is using of satin scrunchies and satin pillow covers. Why is it? It looks very classy, as well as Dupion silk or satins are very good for treating hair fall, and it did work, guys. I'm not at all kidding. I'm not at all like joking, because when you're using cotton stuff, or maybe cotton pillow covers especially, because we change our bed sheets regular, but changing our pillow covers is in every Indian household, I guess it is like they forget most of the time. So whenever you're washing your hair, please keep on changing your pillow covers, alright? And that to switch to satin scrunchies and satin pillow covers, because the friction which happens in case of cotton pillow covers between your hair and the pillow cover material is very much high, and it causes more amount of hair fall. And my mother has also faced the same thing, my grandmother, my Nani Amma. So my mother, actually it's from her research, she found out that using satin pillow covers, she asked me randomly one day that you can switch it like that. I was like, I'm not habituated, by the way. And she was like, just incorporate and see if it works or not, and it did really work. No hair fall like for 1 week. And in Kolkata, so what we girls all can relate at how much hair fall it happens, especially in the metropolitan cities like in Kolkata, like in Mumbai. Please, like you guys can definitely switch to silk and Dupion silk or satin pillow covers. And yes, for the scrunchies part, I have been telling to switch to scrunchies for quite a long time, and it's not because of sponsorship or something like that. This video is completely unsponsored. So I had bought this silk scrunchies from Scrunchies by DC. I will be sticking the picture right over here, and you can check their profile out. I will be posting the direct link in the description box below. And yes, it did reduce my hair fall. It looks very fashionable, unlike those regular cotton rubber bands. Like for my whole school life I have used them, and I just don't want to get back there. I have used that black cotton rubber bands like for so many years, for my whole school life, and maybe part of my college life as well. So I have switched to scrunchies, and my mother is also loving it. The color, it is so colorful, it is fashionable, it is soft. First one, and you can easily wash them. How? Just put it in your washing machine and just get it washed off, and you can like keep it for drying in outside or inside. Step number 6 is very, very important. It is incorporation of a proper hair mask and a serum for your hair. Now as I say that, don't apply face serums because your skin, evolves in after every age group. So since I'm under like 25, yeah, I'm under 25, so I'm not at all gonna recommend any face serum. But for hair, your hair is much older than your body cells, let me tell you. Even your hair is the oldest maybe cell in your whole body. So what you can do is, you can incorporate this Satnic by Amway's Scalp Tonic for scalp health. It helps in reducing your hair fall like anything, and I have been using it since this whole lockdown, and the results are like, oh my god. And already I went to Chennai also, and astonishingly I didn't have so much amount of hair fall as I had expected. So I just cannot, जितना बोलूँ उतना कम है इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में. दिस प्रोडक्ट इज सो फेवरेट ऑफ माइन रिगार्डिंग हेयर, लाइक रोना आ जाता है. But I love this product like anything. I'm definitely going to suggest this, and the INA cost of this one is 1500. Let me explain you. I had bought this bottle, like the old bottle. I guess I have shown it in my empties video around December, maybe January, and it got finished off recently, and this is a new bottle. All right, and it's gonna last for the next 6 months. So definitely you can incorporate it. All right, definitely. Another is the L'Oreal Professional Liss Unlimited Hair Serum. It is for the length of your hair. As it says, this is for scalp and for length of your hair. The L'Oreal Professional Liss Unlimited, the purple bottle. The INA cost of that one is 650 rupees, and it is this product is all seriously, these two products are a game changer in everyone's girl, especially for those who have frizzy hair and those who suffer from hair loss so much. So please don't think twice or something like. But yes, you can do your own research. All right, so check that out. Another is hair masking. Now since we are all inside our homes and we cannot go to our favorite salon, so if you want to get that smoothened hair, and it prevents hair fall also, it is also another product from Satnic by Amway, because their hair care range is superb, guys. It is from Satnic by Amway's Revitalizing Hair Mask for damaged hair. My mother and I use this product a lot, and we don't regret at all purchasing this. What you need to do, I will be making a separate video, I guess, or I will be giving you a brief intro over here. What you need to do is just wash off your hair with shampoo. That once to twice in a month you will need to use this mask. What you need to do is just wash your hair, just press out from your hair the excess water. After that, apply this has a cream consistency. All right, just take a little amount and over the lens, not over the scalp, just over the lens you need to massage. After that, take a dampened towel in hot water, which is dampened in hot water, squeeze out the excess warm water and just like wrap it over your hair nicely. Keep it for around 5 to 6 minutes and rinse it off. Don't use the conditioner on that day, and you are going to thank me later. Seriously, it works so awesome. Not even Mamaearth or not even the L'Oreal Professional, that creme range also for hair, professional range, it's not gonna work. I'm not just promoting or something like that. I literally mean it. It works so magical. I'm sorry, I'm shooting it over daylight, so it's going like reflected. So this is how the product looks, and the packaging is so attractive. It is so colorful. It is so nice. I just love it. Yeah. 7th step will be incorporation of nuts in your diet. What do I mean by incorporation of nuts? Nuts, for example, peanuts. It can be also peanuts. It can be almonds. It can be walnuts. I'm not talking about cashew nuts. I'm not talking about pista. That is, what is it called? Pista only, right? I don't know. Pista, or else the sweetened kishmish, which we say, the dried grapes. No, I'm talking about almonds, because almonds, as we all know, are rich in very good amount of antioxidants, and it, let me tell you that it really efficiently, reduces hair fall. So I need not give any other explanation. So include nuts in your diet whenever you're going outside. Just maybe I was very young. I was in like grade 9 or 10. So that time Pooja Makhija had said that you can take a small container. I guess you guys already know who is Pooja Makhija. Pooja Makhija is one of the famous dietitian all over India. She gives diets to Kareena Kapoor as well. She had told that, and yes, you can include dates also. Almonds, dates, walnuts. Take it in a small container. Keep it inside your handbag and carry whenever you are feeling hungry. Instead of munching those fried snacks and rolls, although even I am missing, but once in a while, don't eat them regularly. Instead, whenever you are feeling hungry, switch to nuts. It fills up your tummy to 50%, I can say. Even I eat every day, and with green tea. So dates, nuts are definitely going to prevent hair loss, girls. I don't know what you guys are just like going for trends, investing, when you can invest in good quality, good amount of food products. What you can do is include nuts in your diet, and you can see the magic in 1 to 2 months. So whatever suggestions I'm giving you over here requires minimum of 3 months of usage completely, and it's not like instantly dikhega. No, it's not gonna happen at once. Really very common it is. Avoid using irons, colors so much. Well, I don't use any irons or colors. Let me be brutally be honest. I don't use them because my mother doesn't allow me much to curl my hair, and my hair is very much straight. I can brush it off and show you. And yes, girls, avoid how to explain. Avoid using too much amount of combing and straightening and ironing. Just whenever you feel any tangle, just do it like this, or else like this, something like that. That's all. That is better than using combs and everything. I know all the other actresses are also, but if you check out their lifestyle, they have very less amount of hair, hair left over there, and they use hair extensions also. So if you really don't want to use those hair extensions, you can switch it in that way if you really want to. This video for reducing hair loss is something which we all need to incorporate in our lives. It is exercise. So rhyme ban gaya. Okay, so yes, girls and boys, even if you are watching this video, you need to exercise at least for 30 minutes 6 days out of 7. I'm not saying 7 days pura sato ke sato din hi karo all the 7 days. No, I'm not asking you that. You need to exercise every day, at least 6 days in a week. For girls, during menstruation, if you do not feel so much fatigue and so much cramps, you can. For me, I do feel fatigueness and cramps are very severe, so I avoid doing exercise during my menstrual cycle going on. So every day exercising does what, it increases the blood supply over here. So since these cells are dead, no, it helps in retaining moisture, it helps in the strands to stick around, and it also cleanses your body and soul. So another tip, it is a free tip, it is like depends upon you if you really want to incorporate, is whenever you're going to sleep, this is what I do. I just like going to show you what I do is, I'm just like using my fingertips, I'm just like brushing it off like this, just like pressing it over here, just a small massage. And yes, I don't like do a bun or something whenever I'm going to sleep. What I do is I braid it up, beat both the sides or beat just one side, and then I sleep. You can like see the results with minimum of 15 days, or it may take 1 month also. Reduces effort, reduces stress, provides good sleep. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you have already noted the important points, the tips, the hacks which I have shared in today's video. And yes, a last minute suggestion is don't apply home remedies or applying the tomatoes or the garlic or neem leaves, anything over your hair. Please don't do that. And yes, girls and boys, do your own research before buying. Alright, take very good care of yourself, get yourself vaccinated. We'll meet you soon in the next video.